Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage in Excel. Whether you are working on a budget, analyzing data, or just need to perform some quick calculations, Excel makes it easy to handle percentages. So let's start the video. This is a sample Excel spreadsheet. It contains data in two columns. One is marks obtained and the other is total marks. In the third column percentage, we will calculate the percentage of marks obtained. Formula to calculate percentage in Excel is number divided by total multiplied by 100. In our case, it's marks obtained divided by total marks. In Excel, click on the cell where you want to calculate the percentage. Now type the following formula, equal sign. Then click on the cell which contains marks obtained divided by total marks. Now hit enter and you will get the value in fraction. So select the cell and now click on percentage sign in the number group. Now it will show marks obtained in percentage. Click on the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to fill the rest of the column with the formula. So that's how to calculate percentage in Excel sheet. Thanks for watching.